Let's check the ninth question. Here it's given that एक particular AP में जो third term है that is 4 and ninth term is -8 and इसी AP में हमें find करना है कि कौन सी term जो है वो 0 होगी. So let's check the solution. तो यहाँ पर हमें जो given है that is T3 is 4 and T9 that's ninth term is -8 and let's check the solution. So here we'll start by assuming जो हमारी फर्स्ट टर्म है दैट इज ए एंड जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है एपी में दैट इज डी एंड द फॉर्मूला विच विल यूज इज दैट टी एन इज ए प्लस एन माइनस वन डी. तो किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर एपी की दो टर्म्स हमें गिवन है देन वी कैन फाइंड दैट एपी एंड टू फाइंड दैट एपी मीन्स वी कैन गेट द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस डी एंड विल अप्रोच सेम वे हियर. सो T3 is 4 that means a plus 2d is 4 and T9 that's -8 so that means a plus 8d is -8. So we have got two equations in two variables, so we can solve it to get value of a and t. So let's subtract these equations first. So when we are subtracting we are getting -6d is 12 or d is -2 and putting this value of d in the first equation we'll get value of a as 8. Now that we have got a and d we can find any term in this AP. So यहाँ पर हमें let's assume that the term nth term in this AP is 0. nth term 0 है तो यहाँ पर वापस हम tn का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. nth term का फॉर्मूला is this. Now here this tn that is 0, a is 8 and d is -2 and we have to find the value of n. So let's put these values here. We'll get this equation. इस 8 को हम दूसरी साइड ले जाते हैं that will become -8 is n minus 1 times of -2. तो यहाँ पर both the side negative sign that will get cancelled down. ये जो 2 है this will divide 8 so we'll get 4 is equals to n minus 1 and this -1 will go on the other side so we'll get n as 5. That means इस AP में जो fifth term है that will be 0 and that's our answer.